was Saturday, December 2nd at about 5:20, and ironically I was on call. It was about a 4-inch main water line under 60 pounds of pressure that just ruptured. A complete shutdown of so many services. And so we couldn't do any surgeries on site, so we ended up canceling procedures while we were down because of the flood.
When it comes to hospital jobs, we need to go into a lot more care into the facility. There's a lot of patients inside. They can't shut anything down, and we need to get jobs done as quickly, effectively, and especially clean as possible.
What I love mostly about ServiceMaster Restore is that they do what they say they're going to do, and they do it better. When they came on site, they were like, you know, this is normal. We'll walk you through this. We'll make sure that you know every step of the way, what we're doing, what we need from you. ServiceMaster Restore restored my peace of mind by making us whole again. We want them to come back, but not for a flood or a fire. They've been part of our family right from the start. It's been amazing.